Hello students, welcome to Neptune classes. So today's topic is Lensmaker formula. Lensmaker's formula. What is this formula? This formula relates the focal length of the lens with the refractive index of a lens material. Focal length of the lens with the refractive index f and mu. The refractive index of lens material with the focal length. This relation gives the formula that is known as Lensmaker formula. A by the basic division the refraction through spherical surface. This is spherical surface. This is also spherical surface. We already discussed the refraction through a spherical surface. If these two surfaces combine, if they are combined, they form a convex lens. If they are combined like this much, even combine it gives a concave lens. बुझेला ताहले Lensmaker formula रे जब बाहर कर रिलेशन बिटवीन फोकल लेंथ एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स तले हमें दीटा कंबाइन इफेक्ट नंबर और refraction through this surface and refraction through this surface. ये दीटा का combination में हमें जोड़ा पाएगा that is known as the relation between mu and f and otherwise known as the Lensmaker. हमें जाने के लिए when ray travels from rear to denser हम पाएंगे mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. When ray travels from denser to rear चेतला पाएंगे just उल्टी वाला mu1 by v minus mu2 by u is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. Where mu1 टा कौन mu1 टा refractive index of rear medium and mu2 टा refractive index of denser medium. बुझ पाछो हमें एक फार्मूला दीटा जानी सारछे. We have already known that refraction through a spherical surface may be convex or concave if ray travels from a medium of refractive index mu1 to mu2 having that is rear to denser mu1 to mu2. That this formula is also if denser to rear, then this is the formula. And combining these two factors, ये दीटा के combine करते हैं we get the Lensmaker formula. कहेंगे हमें अगर I इफेक्ट ना I सरफेस बड़े formula पाएगा तापरे ये करने पाएगा A लेंस से लेटा नहीं तो ये सरफेस है डाउन सरफेस कहेंगे इठी तरह जाए इठी वाला rear denser इठी तरह से denser to rear. And combine effect of these two gives the Lensmaker formula, and this formula gives the relation between focal length of the lens with the refractive index of lens material. Hela ताले discussion करिबा Lensmaker formula. Consider a convex lens. You may take convex or concave. Let us take the convex lens. Having optical center C, it consists of two spherical surfaces having cone P1 and P2. Consider an object O placed on the principal point object O placed on the principal axis. The ray of light traveling from the point O incident the first refracting surface, that is x P1 1. After refraction to this surface, it will be as it is traveling from this is rear and this is denser. This is denser and its refractive index mu2. Here refractive index is mu1. This is also rear. That means lens is placed in a medium. If lens is made up of glass, that is denser. Placed in air, that is rear. So the ray of light coming from the object incident the first surface xp1y at A, which bends towards the normal. Means traveling from rear to denser, it bends towards the normal. So this is the angle of incidence I1 and this is taken as R1. Hello. And another ray with the incident of pole P1 normally goes straight. If the lens material is considered that it is a continuous, then each pratibandhaka if it is continuous, then it goes straight and the refracted is meet at point I1, which is the image formed by the first surface x p1 y. ताले हमें आगे देखिबा सपोज आगे बात देखिबा रिफ्रैक्शन फर्स्ट केस रे फ्रॉम रिफ्रैक्शन at x p1 y surface ए surface एटा आगे सपोज एटु गला एटा एटा एक्चुअली हम डिस्कशन करले let us draw the perpendicular from point A which means this is m1 and you take this is alpha, this is beta 1 and this is the central curvature, this is gamma, which is first surface nelle tale let that is the A O m1 taken as A alpha A I1 m1 taken as that is beta 1 and A C1 m1 taken as gamma. Now from triangle by Snell's law, you know the ray travels from mu1 to mu2, so mu2 by mu1 is equal to sin I1 by sin R1. Here is angular incidence is I1, angle of refraction is R1, and for smaller angle this is taken as I1 R1 for smaller angle. बुझेला ताले this is taken as mu1 I1 is equal to mu2 R1. This is equation 1. From triangle OA I1 OA C1 the external angle के I1 is equal to alpha plus gamma. From triangle that is I1A C1 I1A C1 कोई तो कोन के यदि कर दिला gamma 1 that is gamma 1 is equal to angle के this is R1 ये angle का नियत कर दे this is R1 it joint of both ने it लिख R1 that is R1 plus beta 1, so it implies R1 is equal to gamma 1 minus beta 1. Put these values in equation 1. mu1 I1 that is alpha plus gamma 1 mu2 R1 is gamma 1 minus beta 1. Refraction with spherical surface जेमिति करथला जेमिति करबा तो this is mu1 if angles are very small plus if angles are very small using theta is equal to L by R तले mu1 alpha रे कितना हो A m1 by m1 O that is A m1 by gamma है m1 C1 this is mu2 gamma 1 A m1 by m1 C1 बुझेला minus A m1 by m1 m1 सूत्र कटि गेला इक्वेट करे तो this is u1 1 by m1 O 1 by m1 C1 that is mu2 1 by m1 C1 minus 1 by m1 I1. This is equal to mu1 by m1 o ये सब लोग ले लिया mu2 m1 c1 अछि एठे ओटा पड़ी बताले कोन होतो दिस इज mu2 minus mu1 by m1 c1 ये दीटा टर्म है ए टाइप को आनेगा दिस इज mu2 m1 i1 plus mu1 m1 बुझेला mu1 m1 o थिला आसिला कोटा एटा mu2 m1 i1 ये सब लोग बोलला since if you consider the lens is very thin if aperture is very small and lens is very thin then m1 is closer to what is p1 it is closer is and then closer to c the optical center जदि लेंस में if the aperture small हुए ताले इटा very closer यदि लेंस बहुत width दिबो सेंटर ता ताले हम थिन कहबे थिन हेले कोन दिटा को पाखा पाखी ई पॉइंट बडा सब पाखा पाखी ताने t1 m1 c1 का भाबिबा c बुझेला ए जोठे अछि m1 से सब गुडा कोन पड़े दे आर वेरी क्लोजर इफ लेंस इज वेरी थिन ताले ई फार्मूला रे हम ओके देबा दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 you get mu2 by m1 डायरेक्ट तो के c i1 plus mu1 by c o mu2 minus mu1 by c this equation number you get this formula for the refraction through spherical surface ठीक है this is the formula for the refraction at first surface बुझबेला एबे रहले डिस्कशन करबा द रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू द सेकंड सरफेस कम टू द सेकंड सरफेस बर्तन आगे डिस्कशन कर देले x p1y गुड इक्वेशन 1 का पाइथिल बर्तन दिबा रिफ्रैक्शन 3 नंबर पॉइंट रिफ्रैक्शन एट x p2y सरफेस ए सरफेस हैला हमें नेथिल लेंस मटेरियल इज continuous actually continuous no they are bounded by another surface it is continuous प्रतिबंधक अछि it is bounded by another surface x p2y hence the ray in this case the incident ray is ab and the object is virtual object that is it appears to converge to point i1 where object is virtual so for this surface second surface object is this so when it reaches the point B, as it is moving from denser to rare, it bends away from the normal. If you take this is the normal, this is the incident ray, so angle of incidence is, this is taken as I2. This is taken as I2 and this is taken as R. And if you take this is beta and this is taken as gamma 2. Okay. Now let us draw a perpendicular from the point D which meets the axis at M2. Hello. Now draw the perpendicular BM2 on axis. The let हमें नबा B object के इधर नहीं B I1 M2 this is taken as beta 1 इधर B I M2 taken as beta and B C2 M2 taken as gamma taken as gamma. Okay, তাহলে as per the previous cases, as the rate travels from what word denser to rare according to Snell's law. By Snell's law, here we have to take the refractive index mu1 with respect to mu2. mu1 by mu2 is equal to sin I2 by sin R2. This is taken as I2 by R2 for smaller angle. बुझिएला तले it is taken as that is mu2 I2 is equal to mu1 R2. This equation number 1 2 3 जाइला. This is taken as 4 ହେଲା. तले from triangle object triangle की अछि एटा that is I1 B C2 ए ट्रायंगल I1 B C2 ए त्रिभुज रे बहिस्थ कोण के अछि I2. This is taken as I2. ए त्रिभुज रो मार्क करते तो I2 is equal to gamma 2 plus beta 1. From triangle जीवा of image triangle O I B C2 ए आप external लिखिए R2 is equal to gamma 2 plus beta 2. चलिए gamma 2 plus beta बुझिएला. चल एक दिन पुट करले पुनी से बड़ा चलेगा. ताले देखो therefore put these values in equation 1 mu2 I2 that is gamma 2 plus beta 1 mu1 R2 gamma 2 plus beta. Since for smaller angle using theta is equal to L by R, so mu2 by gamma 2. The gamma the angle is normal it is B. It is that B m2 by that is m2 C2 m2 C2 B m2 by m2 I1 beta 1 is na. This is mu1 B m2 by m2 C2 B m2 by m2 I. ठीक है ला. This is it root सब काट देले के तासी. This is taken as mu2 by m2 C2 1 by mu2 by m2 I1 mu1 by m2 C2 plus mu1 by m2 I. बुझेला. बर्तन this equation number 5. ताले it is sorry this is not equation 5. We have to take this is mu2 এটা প্রমাণ है mu2 minus mu1 तक डिवाइड कैसे होगा. This is equal to mu1 by mu2. This is mu2 minus mu1 এটা এপটু নেই আছে আগে লিখি দিচ্ছি mu2 minus mu1 by m2 c2 এটা সব টু নেই এটা এপটু কাটবে তাহলে this is mu1 by m2i minus mu2 by m2 i1 বুঝেলা. এইটাকু এপটু নেই আছে তাহলে কোন হলো m mu1 এটা মাইনাস है এইটা এপটু কাটবে माइनस होगा. दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 5 for smaller aperture and for thin lens m2 is closer to p2 and hence to OD, the optical center C. therefore that is mu1 ci mu2 ci1 mu2 minus mu1 c बुझिएला ए हला द रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू spherical surface आगुरु पाइथले रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू द spherical surface फर्स्ट सरफेस x p1y वर्तमान पहले x p2y रो फॉर्मूला हला ए दुटा के कंबाइन कर देले हम पाइ जिबा लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला बुझियो जी देखा हमें ऑलरेडी बाइसेक्टोरल ए दुटा फॉर्मूला after refraction to the first surface we get this formula in equation 3 and after refraction from the second surface we get this formula from equation 6 from equation 3 from equation 3 and 6 now add these two equations because combined effect of these two surface gives a length formula so on adding 3 and 6 add कर देले ए फैक्टर थीटा को कम प्लस माइनस करते जो और रहेला mu1 by co mu1 by ci this is mu2 minus mu1 combine करला और रहेला 1 by cc1 plus 1 by cc बुझिएला this is equation number suppose 7 using sign convention that is the distance measured from the optical center that is taken as the object distance u this is taken as image distance and the center curvature cc1 using sign convention co being left that is minus u implies the object distance ci being right it is taken as plus v the image distance and cc1 being right taken as plus r1 and cc2 taken as being left is taken as minus r the radius of curvature of first surface and the radius of curvature of second surface बुझेला a convention the equation ताले from equation 7 होगा mu1 by co that is minus u plus mu1 by ci this is plus v mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by minus r it is समझे दिया 1 by v minus 1 by u 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to mu1 ने डिवाइड कर दो mu2 by this is 1 बुझिएला समस्त के mu1 ने डिवाइड कर के सजे दे एपट केते पाइले this is r1 minus 1 by r हैला and simply you can say that if it is taken as refractive index of second medium mu2 1 this is 1 by r1 minus 1 by r this is equation number 8 बुझिएला this is second with respect to first means mu2 means lens material with respect to its surrounding mu2 1 means lens material with respect to its surrounding सबोले एटा मन रखो 2 1 means not second first नुहे ए केस रे refractive index of lens material mu2 1 means refractive lens material with respect to its surrounding medium lens material with respect to surrounding water আছে air আছে cold আছে এটা so mu2 1 এটি mu2 1 টা not second first নুহে এটি lens material with respect to because we take the refractive index of lens material is mu2 and surrounding air is taken surrounding medium is taken as mu1 so mu2 1 you have to remember as mu2 1 means lens material refractive index lens material with respect to its surrounding medium बुझिएला जेतले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे से अनुसार when the object is at infinite that is the image को object is at infinite हो that is v is at focus image is at OD focus. Therefore when u infinite, that is v is equal to OD focus at focus. তাহলে এই বকে দেবা। Therefore from equation 8 1 by f minus 1 by infinite is equal to mu to 1 minus 1 whole into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r. This is taken as 1 by f mu to 1 minus 1 by r1 minus 1 by r. This is known as the required Lenz-Maker formula. Lenz-Maker's formula. This is the required formula. This is equation number 9, known as Lenz-Maker's formula. You may write this. Otherwise, you can write 1 by f is equal to mu L m. L means length. M means medium. Minus 1 by r1 minus 1 by r. Generally length taken as glass. So glass with respect to surrounding medium. So this is the यदि एक का लेवल लिखो तो रेट लिखो. This is the required Lenz-Maker formula. है ना? Thank you.